Thank you so much, Arundhati. Pleasure.
Okay, we'll move on from there to construction tech startup Bandhoo, which has raised 7.35 crores in a pre-Series A funding round led by venture capitalists. This round also saw participation from Bandhoo's founders alongside angel investors, and the company says that the funding is going to help it further invest in its tech product for development and growth. Joining me now to talk about this fundraising is Prashant Gupta, the co-founder of Bandhoo. Prashant, welcome to Startup Street. Very briefly for our viewers, what is the business model? What is your go-to market strategy and the solutions that you're providing to the construction industry?
Thank you for having me here. It's a pleasure. We offer actually two solutions. One, which we call Project Lifecycle Manager. It's targeting the large real estate companies, general contractors, and PMCs, all operating within the realm of real estate infrastructure and construction. It's a tool that basically helps you run large value capital projects and all procurement extremely efficiently on an end-to-end basis. And we sort of seamlessly integrate with any financial ERP that you might have. It may be an SAP, it may be Oracle, it may be Sage. We have fairly marquee clients in this space already. So Lodha is one of our big accounts. We also have Embassy, L&T Realty, Birla Estates, Piramal Realty. Some of the biggest names and most trusted brands in the sector are clients of PLM. We also have a second product, which is essentially the Bandhoo app. The Bandhoo app basically targets construction contractors and solves for construction manpower problems at project sites. Essentially, if you're looking for smaller contractors...
Yeah, we got that. Two broadly the solutions that you're working with. But tell us about the 7.3 crores of funding and how you're going to deploy this.
So two main areas. I think given the maturity of our products, the first and foremost priority for us is to invest in go-to-market. We are still a very young startup. We have built good presence in a few markets, but we need to take it to the larger sort of population because it's a vast ecosystem. So we would deploy a lot of capital to hire, salespeople and forge go-to-market partnerships to take the products into the market. That's one. The second, we would want to sort of go to the 2.0 version of our solutions and enhance the feature set to improve the customer experience, both on the PLM side, which is the large enterprise cloud SaaS, as well as the Bandhoo app that we have. There is a fair bit of investment that is lined up over the next 12 to 24 months.
All right, and what would that translate to in terms of your growth? Because, you name some developers you're working with, 10,000 material suppliers, 1 lakh contractors, 2.5 lakh construction workers. How will you scale this?
So the aspiration is to use the capital over the next couple of years and grow by about 4 to 6x. We are currently at about $1 million ARR. We are actually very near to break even. So in that sense, it's a choice we have in terms of how much we invest in the business. And the plan is to be thoughtful about it and selectively go into markets and invest in areas where we believe there is biggest bang for the buck. And the growth aspiration, therefore, is to get to somewhere in the 4 to 6x zone in the next 24 months. If we get there, I think generally we would have built significantly strong moat in the business, allowing us to build a fairly marquee sort of position.
You said you're close to breaking even and 4 to 6x growth is what you're eyeing. What will that translate to in terms of your top line and bottom line?
So like I said, we are at about $1 million ARR right now. So if we hold this position and sort of grow, let's say 5x in the next 2 years, we are talking about annual revenues in the close vicinity of $5 million. I think this business eventually at scale can be about a $100 million ARR business and $1 billion valuation. We have to get it right. Obviously, there's a lot of work to get there. We are barely getting started. But the opportunity is very real because in terms of the scale of the opportunity, there are about 70 million construction workers. There are about 5 million SME contractors. It's a market which is untapped. It's a market most people don't even understand how it works. And we are building a fairly unique, dominant position through a combination of our SaaS and marketplace solutions. And the combination of the two make us fairly compelling proposition for every user, be it a developer, be it a contractor, be it a worker, be it a material supplier. The position we have based on our software solutions and services bundled on top, I think we see a fairly terrific sort of growth opportunity.
Well, Prashant, then we wish you the best with all of those plans. Thanks very much for your time here on CNBC TV 18.
Thank you very much.
On that